Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create an ebook for free. Let's say we have a website and you want to get email IDs from your visitors. You can do that easily by creating an ebook. An ebook is a great way to get more people to subscribe to your email list. Now, instead of asking your visitors to subscribe like this, you can create an ebook and give them for free. A free ebook will encourage more people to subscribe to your channel or to your website. So after watching this video, you will be able to create an ebook like this. Which will be in a PDF file and can be shared anywhere. Okay, so let's get started. I'm Safari and today we are going to create an ebook together. So to create an ebook, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to create an account on Crello. So this is the website on Crello and we are going to create an ebook together. What you're supposed to do, just follow step by step. To create an account on Crello, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Click sign up. Then fill up these details. And click sign up. So now we have successfully created our account. Once you have created your account, we can go to step 2, which is to choose a design for your ebook. To choose your design, just click here and search ebook. Here you can see that we have lots of design which you can use to create your ebook. So just pick any design from these templates. Now let's say you like this design. Just click on it. As you can see, we have got a design, and here you can see we have this page on the design you choose. So once you have selected your design, let's go to step 3, which is add your content to this design. So to add content, all you have to do is just select the text and then enter your own text. As you can see, the text has been changed. In the same way, you can change any text on this page. Just select that text and enter your own text. Okay, now let's say you want to change this image. To change the image, First, you need to delete this image and click delete. To add a new image, click photos, and you will find different images which you can add to your ebook. But here you can search for any any image you want. I'm going to search wedding. Let's say you want to add this image. Just drag the image and drop it here. And as you can see, the image has been changed. Next, let's see how you can change the background color. So to change the colors, let's click background and select the color you want. I'm going to select this. And here you can see that the background color has been changed. So this is how you can add content to your design. Now in the same way, you can edit all the other page. Okay, now you know how to add content to your ebook. But what if you want to create a new page or to start a new page from scratch? So by creating a new page from scratch, you'll be able to create your ebook the way you want. Next, let's go to step 4, which is to create a new page from scratch. So to create a new page, let's click here and as you can see, a new page has been added and our page is now empty. It doesn't have anything. Next, let's see how you can add your contents. Now let's say you want to add a heading. Just click on heading and as you can see, the heading has been added. If you want to change this text, just select the text and then enter your own text. Next, let's add some text here. Just click this item like we have done before. Just select the text and enter your own text. In the same way, you can add any content or text in this page. Alright, let's say you want to add an image. Like we have done before. You can go to photos and select the image you want. Or if you want to add an image, if you want to add your own image, just click my files and click upload image or video. click on the image, drag and drop it here. Now you can see the image have been added. Now we have successfully created our new page. Now if you want to rearrange the pages that you have added, just drag the page and drop it like this, and the order will be changed. So this is how you can create a new page from scratch. And you can add any content you want from it. Alright, now instead of creating a new page every time, you can use the same layout, creating a new other page on your ebook. So next, let's see how you can duplicate a page and then change its content. To duplicate a page, let's click here and then click duplicate. And here you can see that we have get a duplicate of the page. So once you have done editing all the pages on your ebook, rename your ebook because it comes with an automatic ebook name from the website. So let's click here and enter the name you want. So now we have successfully created an ebook. Now to download the ebook, just click. You will find different formats to download your ebook. Just select the format you want and click download. Alright, your ebook will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, if you open it, you can see that we have got the ebook which you have just created in a PDF file format. As you can see it, this is how it looks like. So now we have successfully created our ebook, but on the free version you can download 5 free ebooks per month. If you want to download more than that, you will need to upgrade a new plan on Crello.